So, hey, hello. Why do we fail learning speaking English? And I also know that how many times did you ever actually think to learn speaking English or nail it many times when popped up some ideas in your head and in our head we do rush and we try to implement all the things, all the ideas in a second or in a day. That is totally detrimental for us. All the majority of the people do hear the mistake that we are not consistent. You believe or not, this is the great problem of us. So if you really want to develop your and enhance your speaking, obviously you have to practice it every single day. Otherwise, you won't get success here. For example, think about a time when you actually achieved a massive success. So that time you had to put there so much time, so much effort, and you had to be consistent. So similarly, this is also a goal and you have to achieve it and crack it. And for that, you obviously need to be consistent with Jonas' word. So this should be your first and foremost priority. Okay. You probably heard so many negative words that what the hell? What are you doing? Will you learn to speak English? So we actually fear of mistake. Yeah, this is true. We do mistakes and everybody does. Just imagine a little boy, a kid who actually doesn't know how to walk, how to go. Okay, I'm so sorry. Who actually doesn't know how to walk, how to run, how to stand up or how to stand on its feet. Right. So what actually they do? They actually go and fall. They will try to stand up, but they actually can't. Right. They actually can't stand on their feet. But days go, and one day the little boy, even the little kid, learn how to walk, how to run. Okay, by making mistakes, they actually do that, right? So, if you fear of making mistakes, then you won't be able to get anything in your life, achieve anything in your life. So, shut the person who actually tells you about and always shows you your mistakes. So we will make mistake. This is not our native language. So we'll make the shit mistake. So leave this, okay. And minimum practice for 10 to 15 minutes for 7 days. And then rise the limit, okay. Obviously 20 to 30 minutes and then 30 minutes is standard, okay. So this is really significant. And obviously what start with tiny things or little things. For example, you can describe your room, your books that is in your hands, your mobile phone, person's favorite person, anything you can describe, but start describing. So, and this is how you can develop your habit, your speaking habit, and one day you can see your improvement after 7 days. Just do that and zip up your that friend's mouth who actually never ever motivate you. So if I recap, then I can tell you that one thing, if I give you only one suggestion to develop your speaking level, and that is consistency. Yeah, consistency. Okay, so start your speaking journey. Thank you very much.